Hey, hi there, Natasha here, the Loving Chef. I hope you're well. And I just really wanted to share with you because I'm super excited. Finally, they're going in the post today. So this is your cupcake package. I just really wanted to run through with you a couple of things just in case. It will have this on the back just to let you know exactly what it is inside the box when you pick it up from the post office and things. So yes, so let's have a quick peek, shall we? So I'll talk to you about what's on the top in a few minutes, but you will all get a recipe card with ingredients on the back, and then your box will look like this. And then if we take this off, you will have packets of icing sugar, flour, cocoa powder. You'll have your cupcakes in there, and then you've got things like your salt and bicarbonate soda to go in. You will have your white wine vinegar or your vinegar in there to go in as well. And then you've got a tab of sprinkles, because of course you've got to make it all look pretty with the icing sugar and everything. So that's in the box. But I also wanted to share with you a couple of other things, because what do you do whilst it's baking? You know, you've got 10-15 minutes. Well, we provided you with a couple of sheets that you can do some colouring with, and there's some magical pens inside the box as well, with things so you can get colouring whilst you're baking. We've supplied you with a few colours and things as well. So yes, and then the last thing that we've added to is a CD called Love, Peace and Harmony. Now, I always bake playing this, so yes, it's a CD filled with love, and gratitude and things. It's a lovely little melody, it's a lovely little tune that everybody can get to know, and it plays in my kitchen all the time, and it's the magical ingredient that you can't buy in a supermarket. So yes, I'll pop that in the box as well. So there you have it. So I'm super excited for each and every one of you. Please do let me know how you get on. Obviously, if you've got any questions, my number's on the recipe card if you have any questions and things. And happy baking. Take care. All the best. Bye bye for now.